Hello guys, this one just came in and I pre-ordered this since August, September. Just arrived today. Actually yesterday. I just picked it up today. And this is ta-da! Oh. Paper box. So small. So this is a blind box, so I'm not sure what's inside, so let's open it. I think this is how you open it. Yep. Ooh. What I got is the nice color. This is what inside the box. So you have card. Okay. This is what I want actually, but this one came. This is so small. See, very small. Yellow or red is okay for me, but it's a blind box, so. And these are the frames, 7 photo filters and 4 frames. Okay. I don't like the secret edition because it's transparent. Very nice. Okay, let's try to. Very small. USB. What? USB Type C. You have the ring. Let's put the ring. Power on. Get the sound. So select is this. Okay. So cute. Put that away. Let's try. With the click sound. So that is the view. You have the viewfinder here. It's not touch screen. So small. The eraser is bigger than this. Really nice. Okay, I need the. I should test this if this one can connect to my phone. So guys, I am charging the camera, and I have a wild thought if this works. Probably it will work. that if this one USB is, if it's possible, if I connect it to my phone, um is the USB, just I put USB here, I mean um memory card. If I connect this to my phone, should I be able to collect or able to read the photos inside? Let's try. Um, so let's just connect this to my phone. Okay, remove from the charger. Let's see. Okay, it responds. So it says USB icon. So let's check. So it says here it's USB storage. Let's check. Okay, and these are my previous, because this is not a clean, I mean new USB. I just tried it because I don't have any free USB as of the moment. I just tried to check if I am able to connect it or read it. Right, so it is possible. So I got a picture earlier taken by this one. So it says, I think this is the file. Open with the gallery. So this is the result. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, not bad. So this is the sample, but not bad. I love it. Okay. Nice, nice. This is really fantastic, guys. And that is a sample pic. And the battery is battery indicator. Very nice, cute. Clickable shutter list. Okay, and this is how you choose. No filter for video, just video, no filter, only camera for camera. And this is functioning while charging. Viewfinder doesn't have any. See, it's just box viewfinder. Nice. So that's it, guys, and I will going to review some details or sample. This is very light and very small. See that? Ah, very nice. Very nice. So happy that I got this before Christmas so I can take more photos. Nice. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you again next time. Have a great day. Bye.